Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, belongs to Indian Union Muslim League. Today is a historic day. We have been conducting the agitation and protest against the Modi government of India, the BJP government of India. This march and agitation strongly stand for not only the Muslim community, the entire nation, the entire humanity. We strongly stand for irrespective of caste and creed, region and religion. We stand for the humanity. We stand for the Constitution of India. Let me ask a single question to RSS. Let me ask a single question to BJP. Let me ask a single question to the entire Sangh Parivar forces. What is your role behind the freedom fight of India? We the people of India, we the Muslim of India, we made a lot of effort behind the freedom fight of India. This is our land. We simply say to the Modi and the BJP forces, the entire nation, this is our country. Muslim League Party has been conducting to stop agitations against Dalits and Muslims. Today, we are declaring to the power, we are declaring to the government, kindly stop the entire agitations. I am from Kerala. I myself, Faisal Babu, being the National Vice President of the Muslim Youth League. Let me say, my brothers and sisters of the rest of Kerala people who comes from Uttar Pradesh, people who comes from Madhya Pradesh, and people who comes from Haryana, Delhi, and different states of Kerala. You please understand, the family members of the Junaid are here, and the relatives of the Pahlu Khans are here, and the relatives of some other victims are here. Let me say one thing. There is no a single Najib in Kerala. You please understand, there is no a Pahlu Khan in Kerala. You please understand, there is no a Junaid in Kerala. What is the reason? The reason is very simple. It's because of IUML, Indian Union Muslim League. My brothers from Uttar Pradesh, come forward and join together. Let us be with IUML, Indian Union Muslim League. People from Delhi, come forward. Let us hands together and let us say, Muslim League Zindabad. The entire state, the entire nation, come forward and let's go ahead. Then the time will be with us. Inshallah, Allah will bless us. I salute the entire people who joined this agitation. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.